We're going to the Metro Center.
My question is this: are we going to do the tour on the tour bus, or are we going to walk around on our own?
We're gonna walk, right?
What tour bus? The one that...
And the museum. They do tours.
Nandito kami sa Metro. Sa train. Punta kami ng Museum of the Bible.
Sarah and Connor went down to the museum. That's last year. They were there for 4 hours.
Crackleton Grove Medical
So
Center.
you can see everything fast, but if you stop and look at every video,
Read everything.
if you're not going to get it in 4 hours, it ain't going to happen.
It's gonna take you a couple days.
You can get a generalized idea, you know, in 3 or 4 hours, you know what I mean? But as far as seeing every little thing, it ain't going to happen in them 3 or 4 hours. Even if you got there at 10 when it opens,
Naalis na
they
kami.
close at 5. That is what, 7 hours? Well, you can see everything in 7 hours. I was surprised Jody and Dave have never been down, and they've never been to the Holocaust Museum either.
There's a lot of nice places in DC that we can go. I would love to go back to the World War II memorial.
No, we can go down.
What's our,
Train.
that one is beautiful place.
I drive anywhere in the DC.
And
I'll take this train down.
Arlington Cemetery, you can have a tour also over there. And how is that? The House of Washington? Mount Vernon? Mount Vernon. Yeah, Mount Vernon.
Yeah, that's George Washington.
Yeah. I would love to go back to the history.
You can go to Monticello where Jefferson,
Yeah.
Thomas Jefferson.
And I would love to go back to Museum of Natural History, the Fine Arts. I want to go there.
Yeah, we can go back to the History Museum.
Yeah.
There's what's the one with all the gems? Oh, the Natural Museum.
That's a Natural Museum.
Yeah.
Where the dinosaur is.
Yeah, I want to go back there and check out all the gems you have.
Yeah, those are cool, huh?
Yeah, I want to go back to the Natural Museum. That's for sure.
Well, you are retiring soon, so maybe one weekdays, but
No,
thing
we got
is, it's
time.
gonna
You get retired, then you got time to get on
yeah.
and go down and check shit out. Especially during the week when everybody's working. And you don't have to catch.
No, it's gonna be crowded in DC.
Going down there to the park. If you're just taking the train to go to the museum, during the week's the best time, especially on like a Wednesday. Yeah, on a Wednesday it'd be perfect. Spend the whole middle of the week just roaming around the mall down there in DC.
You change the color,
Yeah.
and it's become thinner.
Yeah.
Unlike the other, the old one that it's more comfy. John, do you have the ticket, Dad? You got the ticket, my love. You have the ticket? Did you forget to take it or you have the ticket? Okay, cool. Okay, I'll see you later, guys.
Connection is available to Amtrak and Mark Commuter Rail.
This is Rockville Metro Station. How many stations do we have to pass? Maybe around 12, a dozen at least. And then we get to Metro Center,
Doors open on the
and
left.
then transfer to Orange or Blue Line or Silver Line downstairs. Okay, see you later. Bye.